Alright, first thing in the morning, we've got 5:30 here. Gonna work on a couple things in the office. Guys should be here around 7-ish. We'll get loaded up. I've got to head to Withrow. We'll show you guys that. We'll meet you there in a minute. Project we're starting out there, and then I gotta head to Lake Elmo. We got a plant order coming in around 9, and I've got a site meeting out there around 9. So we'll go out there for that. So let's head over to Withrow. We'll see you guys there.
All right, we're just getting started out here. Crew is going, cousins are trucking. There they are, TA. Crew's going in the machine here. We got the old man, Pops is in the 450, stripping all the sod and everything off. We've got a 230 foot by 125 foot arena going in here. We're gonna windrow everything along here. Colton's gonna pull the truck in and we'll just load it out and it's gonna get backed over there and dumped. Material stays on site. All we'll be doing on this one is importing, no export. Try to pull the stump out with the machine. So. Basically what we did here was Ryan came along this edge with the skiddy. We cut the edge in and pushed everything over to here to this first initial windrow. That way the dozer can just literally go back and forth. So one of the huge things here that's making this go way faster is having the skid here to help the dozer. So the dozer can do what it's best at and the skid can do what it's best at. Skid's more fine-tuned, dozer's just hogging stuff. Looks like he's getting that stump right now. All right, job site number 3 we were at today. We're gonna head back to Lake Elmo where I just was, so I'll show you guys that. But Luke and Zach are out here playing. The owners here had a situation where the foundation, because it's a wood foundation, was failing, so we just had to dig this out to relieve stress so they could re-stabilize it. And then we're just backfilling it right now. So we got some drainage rock in there. They put a drain tile system. You can see our fabric down here. We got to work our way around the corner here, but all right, I'm gonna go drive around. Okay. First thing in the morning, we got 3 truckloads of gravel here, spread to already with the dozer.
I'm peacing out. I've got to go grab the compactor attachment for the skid loader. And then we're gonna get back out here, help these boys out a little bit. We've got 4 trucks running today. The other day we moved 800 ton of material in here. Today, hopefully we'll do about 500 or so. A little bit more than that, 600. We got a little bit longer turn times to go to Bryan Rock today instead of Miller. So, getting egg lime. Let's roll. All right, currently Ryan has got a quick attach roller on the front of the skiddy, just compacting everything here. We got a couple 3 piles of egg lime dropped. Doing 3 inches of egg lime over the top of everything, and then that'll get compacted, and then that's going to sit all winter, and next spring we'll do some wash sand. So we're looking pretty good. A couple waves in there, nothing too bad. All in all, it's looking really good. We've never used one of these rollers on a skid before, honestly, so I kind of wanted to test it out here. This is a good one to test it on, and I think this is a pretty good application for it. We had some wet weather yesterday, so that really helped get this moist, and it's tightening up pretty good. It's actually, that roller is actually perfect for this. Driveways are like this, where it doesn't need to be compacted to like a really high spec, have really high Proctor test done or anything, but it does need to be compacted. The more you compact it and get it smooth versus rough, the better off you're going to be, because you're going to have less egg lime, which is the fines on top, you know, working its way into the base. They're each going to stay in their spot instead of mixing together. So that's why that's important here. And it's you know, it's doing its job. It's doing a good job. So definitely see them getting those front of the tracks off the ground, putting some weight down on it. It's a quick attach system. So I have got to boogie out to Delwood for a meeting. So Colton's gonna stay here a bit, quit trucking, just kind of work with this gravel, the dozer, make sure Ryan's on track, because Ryan is new as of last week, I think. Yeah, last week. So just keeping an eye on him, and then I'll be back in a little bit.